I have had Viking Bag saddlebags for well over a year now, and I can guarantee you they are not going anywhere anytime soon because they are built to last with their high quality stitching, hard sidewalls so they don't collapse, and they even give you molly loops to add more bagging when you need it. When I was looking for saddlebags, I knew I needed something to last me for at least a weekend trip. Packing all my toiletries, my tool bags, my sweatshirt, riding gloves, sunscreen, and all the extra odds and ends that I need, I knew they could all fit into these bags. And even when I do run out of that 27-liter space of the bags, the Molly Loop system allows me to add even more baggage to the bags themselves to create more space when I need it. Both bags also have a side sleeve with a zipper to house your important papers. I use mine for my registration and license. And they both have top nettings for your other small valuables such as your keys, your wallet, sunglasses. But the right side is the only one that has the two phone holders for you and your partner for when you go out riding to make sure they're not going to be lost or falling out of your pockets. I was very surprised when I could fit 10 full-sized water bottles inside this bag. I will never have to worry about going thirsty when I'm out on those warm, hot riding days. There is no reason that you have to take this into a dealership or motorcycle shop to get this done. They send you all the hardware that you need to put it on your rear fender, whether you want to hard mount it or simply take your seat off, throw the bags over the rear fender, and put the seat on. It's as simple as that for throw-over saddlebags. To make sure the bags are even more secure on the bike, you can anchor them to the hard mounting points with the straps provided on the bottom. Simply put the straps through the mounting point and Velcro it back on the bottom. That makes it easy for installation and taking it off when you don't need them. So what's stopping you from upgrading your ride with a set of Viking bags right now?